Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to make money with Instagram theme pages. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to know what are the Instagram theme pages. Instagram theme pages are basically Instagram profile which are used to attract different kind of customers and all other customers related to products, which means if you have a very strong Instagram profile, then you can simply create an Instagram theme page and you can use that Instagram theme page to earn money by simply many ways. The first method is as that you can simply advertise the products of other companies so that they can contact you and they will allow you to create content for them and share their products. And the second method is as that you can simply advertise different brands on your Instagram profile and earn money through that. Moreover, you can also add products by yourself on your Instagram profile, and customer like your followers will connect to you and buy your product directly from you. In this way, you can simply earn money from the Instagram theme pages. There are also many ways which you can use to earn money on Instagram theme pages. There are some method which I have described in that video. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.